Apply ant granules carefully so pets and edible plants stay safe. When spreading ant granules, first read the product label and follow every direction, including the listed application rate and any waiting period before allowing access to treated areas. Choose a dry, calm day to minimize drift and prevent granules from washing into vegetable beds or neighboring properties when it rains. Keep pets on a leash or inside while you apply granules, and for the label specified re-entry time afterward, and store any unused granules in a sealed container well out of reach of animals. Avoid applying granules directly in or next to raised beds, containers with edible plants, compost piles, or areas where children or pets dig for long periods. If you must treat near garden edges, create a barrier by sweeping granules into a narrow band away from the soil that you harvest from, and water only as the label allows to activate the product rather than creating runoff. Use gloves and a scoop to place granules precisely, wash hands after handling, and remove any visible granules that land on hard surfaces pets frequent. 3 common mistakes are over-application, treating too close to edible plants, and letting pets access treated spots immediately. Over-application increases exposure risk and wastes product, so measure carefully using the amount on the label and spread evenly rather than piling granules. Treating garden soil invites contamination of produce, so leave at least a several-inch buffer between application and planting areas and avoid broadcast treatments in vegetable rows. Allowing pets into treated areas too soon can cause ingestion or paw transfer, so keep animals away for the label-specified time and consider confining them indoors or using temporary barriers until the granules are settled or watered in as instructed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where neighbors share real-world experiences about pest control and pet safety. We help contractors find jobs from people nearby and give homeowners a place to ask questions, compare approaches, and learn what worked for others.